Hello, in my how-to, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a Google form and then embed that Google form into a Google site. To start off, I'll need to be on my Google Drive page, and I will click New to create a new item. And I will scroll down and I will select Google Form. And we'll start to build our Google form. It can be as many questions as you want. I'm just going to do one demonstration question. We'll call it test question. And that question, we'll ask the students how much they learned in class today. You can create all different types of questions, multiple choice, short answer. I'm going to do a scaled question today. So how much did you learn from this lesson? And I'll change my question type to scale. And we could rank it from 1 to 5. And we'll say they didn't learn very much. Say, well, I was asleep. And if they learned a lot, we'll label the top of that scale, changed my life. And then we'll click done. So here is my test question that I'm ready to embed into my Google site. In order to do that, I will click File and then click Embed. And that will bring up some HTML code that I will need to copy. So I'll copy that code, then click Done. And I will flip over to my Google site, which I already have open. And I was already in edit mode, but I'll come back to the regular site. And to edit that, I will click Edit Pages. And I want to embed that right at the top. So my cursor is at the top. And I'm going to need to click HTML. And that will bring up the HTML from the page. And I'm going to paste my embedded HTML right at the top. And then click Update. And then I will save it. And here's my test question on my Google site. Let's go back and edit that real quickly. It's pretty easy to edit. We'll click Edit Page again, and then click the Properties button. And I want to change the size a little bit. So I'm going to change it to 400 by 400 pixels. A few other options here that I don't need, and I will click OK. And there is, I'll save it, and there is my Google form embedded into my site. So I can direct students to answer that question, and then I will get the results in my Google Drive. If I flip back over to my Google Drive, it created a responses spreadsheet, and no responses, but they will show up in this spreadsheet. All right. I hope that was informative and easy to follow. Thank you.